Hello, I would like to leave a quick review on this Milton 5-in-1 universal air hose connector, quick connect. As you can see, it's a 5-in-1. So with this one, you don't have to be, guessing. Is the connector on my air tool is gonna fit, the coupler on my air hose. This will accept just about anything. It is a safety connector, so once you plug it in, the whole thing's gonna lock in, and then this red color, you slide it just to let the air flow, go through it and pop, and that way you can use your air tool. It's also a I want to say safety, so it'll protect you instead of uncoupling the removing the air hose from the tool and then having all that pressure blowing up on you. This thing is gonna release the pressure, and that way you can just unplug it safety. This is, you're looking for something nice, convenient, durable, go with this one. Milton Industrial, the 5-in-1 universal.